Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Sansui Smart TV and opening settings right away. This primes the TV's menus so you can locate Bluetooth. Once done, make sure your remote is active and the accessory you want to pair is in pairing mode. You do this because some Sansui models hide Bluetooth within specific submenus and require an active remote input. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off. This reduces search noise. Now navigate to Network and Accessories as your next immediate stop. You now look for Bluetooth inside settings, typically under Network and Accessories or Sound Output. This is where Sansui places wireless audio and devices. If you don't see Bluetooth, go into System or Advanced. Some firmware hides it. Use the remote search or open the apps list and launch a Bluetooth or Device Manager app if available. You do this because TV firmware versions vary. Finding the correct submenu unlocks pairing options. Keep the accessory in pairing mode while the TV scans. You select the accessory when the TV shows it and confirm any PIN on screen. Sansui typically asks for a 4-digit code or auto pairs. Once paired, test playback or functionality and set the device as default audio output if you need continuous use. If the device does not appear, restart the TV and the accessory. Then update the TV firmware because outdated firmware often hides features. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure the accessory is unpaired from other devices first. This resolves most conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.